Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. I'm for my dear guys, for my dear audience. In this video, I'll describe some different and most beautiful ideas of a metal toy dye project for different kids or for special kids or for different decorative purpose. Also, toys we keep it in our sitting rooms, in our different living rooms. So, my dear guys, when we talk about a metal toy dye project, then different question arise in our mind like is what material is used for toy or what material are used to make toys or metal toys safe for kids or what is toy in descriptive manner. So, my dear guys, the metal used in dry casting is either a lead or lie used early on or more commonly is Zemek, called Mazak in the UK. So an alloy of zinc with small quantities of aluminium and copper. So what material are used to make toy? Common safe plastic used in toy manufacturing includes polyethylene. So this plastic is used in a wide range of toy, including outdoor play equipment, water toy, and soft doll. But my dear guys, special I prescribe in my video is a metal make toys in welding project. So our metal toys safe for kid. Be on the lookout for toys that may have toxic chemicals. Avoid buying toys made of cheap metal and materials such as jewelry and trinket and other similar children product. If a piece of jewelry or a trinket is inexpensive yet is heavy for its size and looks like silver, it could contain hazardous metal. So, my dear guys, the origin of the word special ties is unknown, but it is believed that it was first used in the 14th century. So toys are mainly made for children. The oldest known doll toy is thought to be 4,000 year old. So playing with toys is an important part of aging. So my dear guys, if we talk about its advantageable beneficial purpose metal toys, what are the advantage of metal toys? So typically, my dear guys, metal have a much higher strength than plastics and wood, meaning that a plastic toy with a wall thickness the same as a tin plate toy would be insubstantial to handle. So how are many metal toys made? A special metal board made. My dear guys, when we talk about a metal toys car, then a die-cast toy car is a miniature replica of the real car that is made using a die casting or metal casting method. So these scale models are usually made of zinc, a lead alloy, and come fully formed as single pieces that generally portrays the real vehicles on a small scale. So method of making toys for different in plastic or in metal, different procedure meant but in in plastic toys production process such as injection molding, blow molding, and rotational molding can be arranged based on the required manufacturing techniques for the toys. And in other side, in metal making method toy production process such as also molding, special molding, and by heat and pressure. Heat is molding by a heat, and it can be a different machines also for playing special. trucks, special cars, special cycles, bicycles, and tricycles are be made. So, my dear guys, what material are safe for toys? Plastic or metal? So, my dear guys, if we talk about a long-term condition, then metal is also essential. Metal is a beneficial purpose. When we talk about its uh, heat absorption, then wood is much important. And if we talk about a plastic, then toys carry out from one place to another is easy. So, my dear guys, can kid chew on metal? Researchers found that the amount of heavy metals that get ingested while chewing or mouthing jewelry can be dangerous. So, do old metal toy have lead? Vintage and antique toy may also contain unacceptable level of lead. And by antique, we don't mean ancient toys made in the 1970 and 1980 have been shown to contain high lead level. Is heavy metal safe for kids? The latest research shows children exposed to toxic metal are at higher risk of developing cognitive issues and neurological disorder, behavioral disorder, and cancer, respiratory problem, metabolic disorder, and cardiovascular diseases. But in playing position, or it can be a special bicycle or tricycle for it. But these small toys is used for exercise. But in playing gaming, it is a heavy, it is a high potency. So, my dear guys, uh, well, what metal is used in toy? What is metal good to use? What metal better than plastic? So, my dear guys, heavy metals found in various children's toy include arsenic and antimony and cadmium, lead, also chromium and mercury, copper and cobalt. So these heavy metals can pose numerous threats to humans with an accelerated risk for children as they are still growing and developing. So why is metal good to use? Metal are good thermal and electrical conductor at room temperature and normal atmospheric pressure. So metal tend to be solid except for mercury, which is a liquid metal or usually ductile, malleable, shiny, and can form alloys with other metals. So why is metal better than a plastic? Although my dear guys, plastic products weak much more quickly than steel. So the material itself take a long time to decompose in nature. So my dear guys, I think that my video and my these metal welding project tries interesting you much, and if interesting then subscribe my channel and like my video and share my video with your affectionate love. So thank you very much guys, once again thank you very much.